drip for sale. I got drip for sale. I got drip for sale. I got drip for sale. Drip, 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 drip.
Came through dripping, drip, drip. Came through dripping, drip, drip. Diamonds on my wrist, they dripping.
Right now, you are now tuned in. Let's get.
So yes, new addition to the family. New addition. So the reason why you're here, I'm back with another video. Back with another video. Hey, what's up? What's going on? Coming at you real quick with another video. So I'm over here swinging like a crazy lady because I just washed my hair and it's feeling so good. But I gotta tell y'all what happened. Drip, drip, drip. Watch out, cause it might get on you. Woo! My hair don't shake like this after it's dry. When my hair is dry and regular, it's stuck like a duck. So I'm going to be shaking all over the place in this video because my hair is still swinging, langing. Look, if you like, I ain't gonna be able to stop myself. I'm sorry, y'all. You're gonna have to get used to this hair swinging all over the place. I might just do the whole video like this.
Right here is my
make y'all dizzy right with me.
All the girls.
Okay, but no. If you are required to braid and band, please continue to braid and band. Don't stop braiding and band because you see me living my best life. Okay? Don't do it. Don't do it. But I just use the Almocado, shampoo, time chaser, sent it to me. I'm going to put a clip in so y'all can see my reaction when I receive this shampoo. Watch it. OM freaking G. OM freaking G. Oh my God, look what I got in the mail today. I gotta turn on the light. What the heck? Somebody tried to bite through this? Now, who the heck? What the heck? I can't believe this. This is how it came. This is how it came. Okay, so I'm unpacking, please, my gift. It was a surprise. No, it wasn't. It wasn't a surprise. Time chaser. My girl, part of the fam, sent me the time chaser. Thank you, boo. She sent me this package. I don't know why it's like this, girl, but this is how it came, girl. But you know, it's all the way from London. I'm gonna reach in there and grab it too. Okay, so we got the peppermint tea shampoo. Okay, and I haven't washed my hair since I did the vinegar rinse, so it is time to wash. Today is the day. Then I have the peppermint tea moisture mist. Okay, so I don't know for sure if I'm going to use the moisture mist just of yet. I might try it once, but I might hold off on using this until my hair is mature, because I am not trying to put any products in my hair, like for real, for real. But let's see. Yeah, because it says conditions, moisturize. So yeah, I don't want to do none of that yet. But let me know, time chaser, if you're using this spray as well or just the shampoo. Shout out to Time Chaser for sending me these products. I really do appreciate it, girl. I really do. So even though the package was cray-cray and a hey-hey, it still has plastic covering. So nothing happened to the actual product. And I'm going to open it now. I'm so thankful to Time Chaser for sending me these products. She had to pay shipping, which is expensive because this was from London. Now that you're back, I washed my hair. Let me show you that clip. My scalp is on fire. My scalp is on fire. I'm not playing. That stuff burnt me. Lord help. So this shampoo burnt my scalp like no other, okay? I felt like I was in a fire. okay? I was on fire, okay? I'm not playing. I'm not exaggerating. I am telling the truth, the whole truth. So help me God. I wanted to love this shampoo. I wanted to love it, okay? I heard that it was a good shampoo. I seen people using it and say, you gotta use this shampoo because it's a bomb. And I feel so bad. I really do feel so bad that I have to give it a bad review. And I'm not saying that it might not work for you. This is what happened to me. When I put this shampoo on my scalp, y'all, it was like, okay, so it's tea tree. So you know how tea tree, you get like a tingly feeling? No, honey, it was not a tingly feeling. I was on fire. I was set on fire like somebody threw a lighter on my scalp and I couldn't get rid of it. So I had to go back behind. I only used it once because I was going to try to use it one more time. But also, when I was using it, I had to use a whole lot. It was not sudding up for me. Like, it wouldn't sud up. And that's the problem that I had with the Sisterlocks shampoo, is it wouldn't. The problem that I had with the Sisterlocks shampoo is that it wouldn't sud up. So I have an issue. Come close. Let me talk to you about this. Come close. You might be able to relate. I need suds. Bruh. I need suds. So I can know that my stuff is getting clean. I don't care if it's from laundry, if it's my dishes, if it's my skin. I need to see some suds when I scrub the dub, okay? And I was not getting any suds, so I didn't like that. And I felt like I had to use a whole lot. Also, I don't know if I had like some type of scalp sore trying to come in or something. I don't know. But right here, like right here, look, right there. You can't see it. But when I put the soap on my scalp, this spot right here, it's still kind of burned out. It's bad. Thank the Lord. Thank you, God. But when I first put it on, y'all, this part burnt. It felt like it was raw or something. So I don't know if I have like a little irritation going on right here. I'm gonna have to ask Bay to look at it or something like that, because I can't see that spot right here. Like, I can't turn and look at it at the same time, you know what I'm saying? So I need help. But something is happening right there, honey. Something is truly happening right there, because that shampoo, whoo. But not only in that spot, it was everywhere. It was like my whole scalp was on fire. Now, I have used tea tree products before, and I know like the good tingly feeling that it gives you, but this was not a tingly feeling, y'all. This was a burn. This was a unnatural, not natural. What am I saying? No, natural. Burning is not natural. I felt like Usher. Let it burn, okay? I do not want to use that ever again. I'm so sorry, Time Chaser. This is not your fault, honey. Please. Please, honey, it's not your fault. I really appreciate you sending me this shampoo, okay, boo? I appreciate you sending me this shampoo. Matter of fact, y'all go check her out. She got a channel and everything. Like, go check her out, okay? I have her link in the description box. Check her channel out. If you like her, subscribe and support her, okay? But from the bottom of my heart, cross my heart, hope to die, stick a needle in my eye, y'all. I had to use this shampoo. Okay, y'all. I don't know if this is right for y'all or not, but babe, whew, thank you, baby. He at work right now, but he might see the video. I don't know. Thank you, babe. He went and got this shampoo for us, all of us, because you know he has locks, my son has locks, and all my daughters have natural hair. This shampoo smells so fruity delicious, fruity pebble delicious, Fruit Loop delicious. Delicious, okay? I might even taste it one day. I don't know. No, I'm just playing. But it's the real deal, Holyfield, okay? I had to wash that other shampoo out three. Uno, dos, tres times. My scalp feel way better now, y'all, but I can't explain how the pain. I can't explain the pain. I don't want to keep on you talking about it because it makes me feel it all over again. I can feel it all over again when I talk about it. But This shampoo, Almocado, it didn't work for me. I feel so bad. I want to support people. You know, I want to do these things. I was ready. I was ready to love it. I was ready to love it. She also sent me this spray, but Hunte, I will not be using this either because of the shampoo putting me on fire. A fire that would not go out, okay? I was about to call the fireman. Like, I was about to call somebody. I don't know who I was gonna call, but somebody was gonna have to help me because I was going through it. You know what I'm saying? I was going through it. And I was kind of sketchy with the whole package being busted open anyway. Like, who delivered this? A bear? Like, what is happening? So, but like I said, this got nothing to do with you, boo. You know what I'm saying? Because she was trying to hook me up. You know what I'm saying? They're trying to hook me up. And I really appreciate all my subscribers, y'all, from the bottom of my heart. Y'all don't even know, like, what y'all do to me. Y'all motivate me. Y'all encourage me. Y'all support me. Y'all are telling other people to subscribe. I know you have to be telling somebody to subscribe. If you ain't, then go do it, okay? Go do it. But also, I want to announce that I will be having a giveaway video coming out. I would like to know from you, what do you want? Do you want a gift card to, like, you know, go shopping, Forever 21, you know, I don't know. Or do you want Sisterlock essential products or tools or things? What do you want? Y'all want some food? I don't know. Tell me. Drop it down in the comments what y'all think I should give away from my giveaway. Hey, 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 hey. And let me know today. Hey. I don't know. I was kind of crazy in this video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. But I was definitely not feeling that shampoo. That was real. That was 100%. Y'all, I feel so cute though. Like, I wish my hair could look like this every day. Like, just be cute laying down and swinging. I guess once it get a little longer, this is probably what it's gonna look like naturally. And baby, I'm gonna just be walking like this. Like, oh, hey. Oh, one more thing, y'all. My name is Anita, but please refer to me as Sister Locker. And if you want to tell somebody about my channel, you gotta tell them Sisterlocker TV, because if you tell them Nita, they're not gonna find me. And everybody's been calling me Nita all of a sudden, and I'm still Sisterlocker 2018 up in this piece. Like, that's never going away. That's who I am in the inside. Okay? So please tell people about this channel. Subscribe. We're trying to get to 2K. Trying to get to 5K by April. So I need y'all to light it up with some subscriptions. Like, and hit the notification bell. Like, I haven't been saying that because I just thought y'all would be doing it. But I gotta tell y'all, I gotta remind y'all to hit the notification bell. Like, kick it, hit it, kiss it. I don't know what you gotta do to it. Just do it so you can know when I upload a video. All right, bye.
Gone on you with the pick and roll. Younger flame hit mode.